Hey up, I'm back. I'm just putting these steering rack gaitors on. I've done this side. These have been sorted. They were all ready. No plate hole in them, so that's good steering. Not too tight. To tighten them up, what you have to do is undo that locker, tighten this up, and then lock it back, and it keeps it. And there's plenty of play. There's like a plunger inside with a seat fits on the end of the ball on a spring, strong spring, and what that does, it shoves at that to keep it tight, but it allows it at the same time to move. So there we go. Now loading it with grease, this is what I always do. Take this off, look, that's a bit. That's it. Lithium grease with capabilities. Some say you want graphite grease, but it's virtually all the same stuff. It's just with different additives, isn't it? It's So what we do, we'll load it on here. Look. Plenty on. Plenty on. That's it. That's that bit done. Now, this is the fun part, the very fun part. You get that over there. It can be either easy or a pig, and I'm betting it's going to be a pig. So, we'll see. Bring it through cheerfully. Right, that's going to be. Not a very good job, is it? So, I'm covered in this stuff. All good stuff, innit? All good stuff. Right, this we've got to. Like that. Let's see what happens. Hope there's not too much there that's going to stop it from tightening up. Oh yeah. Slipped off, didn't it? See what we'll do. Not to a timer. We'll get rid of it, shall we? There we go. Let's try and get as much of this off as we can. Right. I think that's it. For that end anyway, so we just nip him off. That's that one. Right. Let's get another tire up. That's what I'm neat. Right, let's see if we can do this one without. And that should be it. Let's make sure. I'm talking to us at this. Took me 8 degrees. There we go. Need that. I might need that little bit of lubrication on. That's that then. Right, I've got to clean these 2 nuts up. They're the nuts that go on the ends of the track rods, locking nuts. And we've got new track rod ends for red. And I'll show you what they'll be when we put it into another. Well, you know, when we're finally rebuilding everything. It should be alright. Right, these 2 rubbers, that one's crazing, as you might, as you can see. You can see the crazing look. There, look. That's going to be changed. I've got 2 polybushes coming. Now, polybushes is that one and that one. But I mean, it's sound as it is, very solid, but it won't pass an MOT like that because it's cracking. And there's a lot of pressure on when them butts are tight, and if it starts to rise, it's going to break up and it's just going to slither out of its anchor. So that covers that now. So we'll move that, and I'll see you in a minute. Here we are then. The final thing for this is we're going to replace the bushes, the polybushes. As you can see, they're a lot harder than the other one, but you'll see in a minute when I take it out. They're the washers that I said, can you remember? The locking washers. They're the new ones. They go on there. I've got to take both sides out. To lift off the rack. I'm going to be careful there. There we go. Put that on there. And then I've got to, when I go to top, I it broke, I got the stud out. So, come on, lift up. a good tight ones, but that's the one. Look, looks a bit easy. Got the dropsy. That's it. So what we got to do, I don't think it matters with that. Just put that around that bit there, look. Strange. Yeah. I'll look at this a bit further. It's got something to do with how but it's certainly not going in. It is considerably wider. Same width. Yeah. Get back in a minute. And we're back again, look. We've sussed it out. Took a bit of forcing on, they're really tight, but that's how you want them, really, isn't it? Yeah, that one's it. This one you've got to line up. That one's the key one. That's the shoulder there that keeps it true to what it's doing. So see what happens. That's well in there, I'm afraid. Yeah. So that's that. That is well tight in there, so that ain't going to move anywhere. So I think that concludes it. I think they were ready. Don't you? We're getting a bit slow. So right, that's it for this video then. Only thing left to say is see you later.